In a society that moves at the speed of light, sometimes it can feel impossible to relax and unwind. Conflicting obligations, work and family demands, and our own negative thinking can wreak havoc on our mental and physical health. But life doesn't have to be so stressful. Personal development expert Cloris Kiley shows us a few simple ways on how to tweak the stress in your life. Nice to have you here.
It's always a pleasure, Teresa.
Why is there so much stress in everyone's life?
I think we just have so many conflicting priorities that we just feel overwhelmed. So it's tough to control that stress.
And it's actually more than kind of just an uncomfortable feeling. It really can affect your health.
It does. It affects our health, our mental well-being. And actually, I'm going to show you something. It can make you not see the solution to your problems. So let's say that I go, Teresa, I have this problem, I'm so stressed out. And you go, Cloris, it's right there. Don't you see this?
Right in front of your head there.
I go, where? I can't see it. That's what stress does to you. So you don't want to put on this hat.
So you're kind of missing out on opportunities, right?
That's right. You don't see the solution to your problems. You don't see how to get out of your problems, basically.
All right, so you have some tips for us. We're going to break them down. The first one you say is catch stress right in its tracks. So right when it starts, right?
That's right. Right when you get the first stressful thought, you have to replace it with a thought that is empowering. So let's say that you have a deadline at work and you feel there's no way I can do this, how can I do it? Then think about a time when you were actually able to do it. And then say, I can do this again. Or maybe you know somebody who did it. So say, if she did it, I can do it too.
All right, and then you recommend assuming a different perspective on things.
It's important. Just ask yourself, how is this going to affect me in a year from now?
Is it really that important, right?
And it might be important though. If that's the case, then find a solution. Focus instead of what's wrong on how you can solve it.
And you probably don't want to make any sort of rash decisions about any of this. So separate yourself, maybe take some time before you come to a conclusion.
Taking a break is so important. So you can just take a minute to collect yourself and do some deep breathing, or you can take a longer break, maybe a 15-minute walk around the building, or just take a full day off or a week off.
Sounds fantastic, a vacation, right? Because pizza guys need vacations, right? They've been working hard too.
They do.
So let's talk about some stress-reducing behaviors. Where do we begin with that?
Well, you have to engage in things that have been proven to reduce stress. So meditation is a great strategy. Yoga, any exercise, any activity, something that you do with your body will allow you to reduce stress. Anything that allows you to be present, playing with your dog, with your child, your hobbies, anything that makes you be in the present moment.
I'm assuming breathing must have something to do with it as well, right? If you're in work and there's a tricky situation, anything you could do right then and there?
That's right. It could be just taking a few deep breaths and just being in the moment, just being aware of your senses. That brings you away from stress.
All right, and you also mentioned that it's important to have a gratitude journal. What is that about?
Well, I would say every day, just ask yourself, what is going right in my life? What am I grateful for? Appreciate what you have. And once you write down what you appreciate, then the bad stuff doesn't seem as important anymore.
All right, and that kind of goes along with your happy memory box idea.
That's right. I have a friend, she collects all these happy memories. The kids put them in at the end of the day, and then when they feel stressed out or not that happy, then you have all that jar full of beautiful things you can just pull out and read and feel good again.
That's a quick pick-me-up, right? And then another important factor is kind of getting away from the computer, all the electronics, and separate yourself, right?
Yeah, definitely. Just take a break from what you're doing. Once you take a different perspective, you assume a different perspective, you can see the solutions. You don't have to put on the stress hat. You don't want that.
And I'm assuming that sleep and diet and all that plays a part in dealing with stress.
Yeah, definitely. Get enough sleep. When you are not rested, how can you deal with the problems in your life if you're just exhausted? So make sure you get enough rest. Make sure that you have a healthy diet. So those pumpkin pizzas with a lot of vegetables, those are great. So anything that has fresh food is great to reduce stress.
I know you're an avid bike rider. Probably get some exercise, some physical activity will help.
Anything that gets you moving is great. Just even going for a walk, as I said, 15 minutes just around the building to clear your mind will do wonders.
Very good. And Cloris, you have some interesting facts on your website. Where can we find that?
Yeah, you can find that at ClorexKylie.com. A lot of inspiration and then good stuff just to get away from stress.
We like it, and we'll link it up to our website, WTNH.com. Just click on Style. Thanks for the tips.
Thank you.
All right, stay with us. More Style after the break. We're going to have some pizza. Don't go anywhere.